All right, so welcome back again. Apples, apples, apples. Today I'm going to show you how to do apple cider vinegar. Quick and easy, using your peelings and your cores, all that stuff. Ours is from doing the actual apple press. So what you want to do, you want to get a jar. I'm using 1 quart jars here. I'm going to do 2 of them, and you're going to fill them about 3/4 full of the peelings. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so that's, take that little guy out there. There we go. That's about 3/4 full. So I'm gonna do 2 of them. And there we go. That's roughly about 3/4 full as well. All right, so we got our 2 containers. Now we want to add 2.5 cups of water per quart. So it doesn't matter what size you use, that's what you're gonna do. Here's 2 cups. And then 1/2 cup. There's 2 cups in this one. So yeah, I had that one filled a little bit more, so it's not going to take as much water. But I'm going to go ahead and, I got 2 cups in each right now. Let's go ahead and put the sugar in, and then we'll top it off with the water. So, for this, we're going to use 2.5 tablespoons of sugar for each one. So, one, and there's 2, there's 1, and there's 2, and then 3 of these will give me the 1/2 tablespoon. So these are teaspoons. So 3 teaspoons equals 1/2 tablespoon. So 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and then 3. All right. So now we can go ahead and I'm going to bring the water right up to here on them. All right. Now it's very important that you make sure that anything floating, it stays down, because you don't want it to mold. If it molds, then the whole thing is bad. You gotta throw it out. So this floating stuff, we could actually scoop that out, because you don't want anything floating in there. But first we're gonna go ahead and put tops on these and then shake it up and move the stuff all around. Yep, and just push everything down. You don't want stuff floating. So now that we got those filled up, we're gonna go ahead and use coffee filters to cover them. And you could either just put them on and then put a rubber band around it, or you could just use the lids themselves and do the same thing on this one. And now we're gonna take these two and we're gonna go ahead and store them in a dark, warm place. And we're gonna check on them in about 2 weeks. And then that's when we'll go ahead and we'll pretty much decant them, take all the junk out of there and just leave the liquid. Alrighty, it is about a month later and I got a big whiff of the apple cider vinegar coming through the door when the wind was blowing. So it's definitely ready. So let's get it upstairs and get the rest of the stuff out of there and get it so it's just vinegar. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and sanitize the jar. And then we'll go ahead and we'll strain these. Got the strainer in here, but I'm also going to put cheesecloth in there to really fine strain it. So as you see during the fermentation process, at some point it was bubbling up and got it all full of stuff. But, whew, yeah, that's definitely vinegar. If you can only smell it. Yeah. I was gonna try and just scoop that out, but I think I'm gonna be wasting a lot. So, whoo! Apple cider vinegar. Whoo! Smells good though. It smells really good. All right. And we'll get a little bit of cheesecloth in there too. And we'll go ahead and pour that in there. You can see how clear it looks too, though. It looks actually really good. All right, so I'd say that's good enough. Woo! That is definitely apple cider vinegar. And actually, I want to try it now. So, and people use this for all types of stuff. I wouldn't recommend using it for canning though, because you don't know the acidity level. There is a way to determine it, so you can actually can with it, but it's really not safe if you're going to be keeping something long term. Yep.
That's right.
That is apple cider vinegar.
That's right.
Yep. It's pretty good. So, we're gonna
good.
Yeah, isn't it good?
It's not wicked vinegary yet. It's not super
like
bite.
Yeah,
taste
it's not.
the apple.
But it's pretty good. So, this one's all set. We're gonna go ahead and you want to store it in like a cool, dark place. Doesn't need to be pitch black, but we'll put it back down on the shelf, our canning shelf downstairs, and that's perfect for it. And then when we need it, we can go use it. And this will store indefinitely. You can use it at any point. But that's why I made 2 full-size ones, because I knew from the 2 with the apples in the space, I'd get at least 1 full jar like this. So, all right. Came out good. And now we have some fresh homemade vinegar as my wife tries the vinegar apple pieces that I saved for the goat. But I'm actually gonna bring it outside and see if the goats actually eat it. They may not, because it is vinegar. But I kind of want to see if they do try it or not. But there you go, homemade apple cider vinegar. Let's go store this and head outside and see if any of the goats or pigs will eat this.
He's like a $50 puppy.
Jamie, you want to try some of the homemade apple cider vinegar?
It's good.
Here, Mommy, give her your spoon. What does it taste like?
Sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah.
Does it taste like?
Yeah.
Give you that feeling? That's the vinegar. Tart. Yeah.
Good, all right.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Fresh homemade apple cider vinegar on the shelf. There we go. So let's head outside and get the animals, see if they'll eat the apple chunks. Hey Chungus, you want to try some cider vinegar apples? Ooh, he's eating it. You like that? Is that good? Yeah. Okay. All right. Hi turkeys. Chungus. All right, we got to find Olaf. Olaf! There he is. Hiding out in his little barn. Guess what I got? Want to try it? Smells like vinegar, huh? No? Oh, I don't like vinegar. Here, Olaf. Try it. No, I'll pass. All right. Little Chungus ate it. He liked it. Sure? Sure you want to try it? I guess so. Hey George, what about you?
Ooh, yay, my watch.
Hey Georgie.
Sure.
Hey George, here, you want to try some? No? You don't like the vinegar, George? No, Olaf don't like it either. Here, George. All right, so that's rare that I see Olaf turn something down, but Chungus liked it. So we're all set here. Click on my links for other videos on making stuff with apples. We've been doing a ton lately. And actually other videos, whatever you're into. I'm sure I got something. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.